Hey, lately I've been putting out some kind of, I'll call them maybe dumb videos, just see what I can do with the plane, making a 12-foot run on a board, seeing how thin I can make a shaving and all that. And to some people that might seem kind of blah, so what, anybody can do that, but there's a group just as big that probably can't do that. They're looking at tools laying around that they can't get to work right, and that's the whole point of what I'm doing, is just to show people that if there's hope for me to be able to do this stuff with a plane or a chisel, then there's hope for you too. It's just a matter of understanding a few things about the tools that you're working with, and you personally about yourself. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to get a little stupid with a my 112 scraper plane. I did a couple videos on how I sharpen it, and some things you can do to make it work better, or that's worked for me. So this blade I've got sharpened about 65 degrees, and what I'm going to do is see if I can make a run on this board and see what kind of shaving I can get out of this. It's not really what these are made for. These are just made to scrape a flat surface, which they work real good at if you have them tuned up. But just for shits and grins, I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do with this. So here we go. Now this is probably going to fall apart. And if you didn't notice, right here I hit kind of a sideways knot. But let me see if I can pull this out without it breaking too bad. Which I can't. It doesn't seem like I grabbed the whole board, but I did. Kind of wrinkles up real bad. I can't even measure that because it just falls apart on me. I'll do it again. And it doesn't seem like the whole length of the board, but it is. That scraped down the whole length. Like I said, that's not what this is made for. But I think that was pretty neat. So I'm going to be putting out some more videos on some planes and things like that, but that's what can be done. Not that that's what it's for, but like I said, I'm just being stupid with some of my tools just to see what they can do. And like I said, if you're having trouble with stuff, there's hope, because I'm a moron and I can get my tools to work right. And this is kind of a recently discovery for me, so I'm kind of happy about it. If you're not impressed, I don't blame you, but if you are a little bit impressed, like, subscribe, follow me a little bit, and eventually I'll get some videos out there that on things that I discovered and I learned, and what'll help you too. I'm just a part-time guy. I pick up a plane every now and then, and that's the reason why it's taken me so long to figure it out. So like me, and I'll see you around.